Hey, this is Jason Moss of Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. A couple of things I'd like to share with you. We do have a few spots open for manufacturers in the state of Georgia to join us to see best practices at a factory that we're going to be touring on Thursday at World Emblem. So if you're interested, you can register online at georgiamanufacturingalliance.com. We do have a couple networking events available as well coming up on the 14th. Really excited about getting our networking group back together and really cranking some interesting conversations and relationships. We're helping to grow through those as well. You can find, again, all that information at georgiamanufacturingalliance.com under upcoming events. We are beginning to really book up our plant tour series that's going to be done in conjunction with the book signing tour for Manufacturing Success in Georgia. We'll be starting it out in South Georgia. Go online and figure out who we're going to be kicking it off with. I think you'll be intrigued to find out how we're going to kick this event off. So give us a call if you have any questions, 770-338-0051. And if there's anything we can be doing for you, don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to seeing you at upcoming events.